Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to get a mount. I'll show you two ways and one secret tactic that you can use as well. The first way is going to this place on the map and you can catch one here. After you come here you can take a look at the minimap and you'll see dots. Each color represents the rarity of the horse.
So, how to get one? It's fairly easy. You wanna get the highest rarity as possible. Usually I would recommend going for blue or green, right? So we have a blue one over there. So let's get it, yeah? What you want to do to have it easy as possible, you will sneak behind the horse. They can't see you, otherwise they will run. So you'll go from behind, you'll press F, and now you jump on it, and you'll do quick time event, right? So yeah, we got the horse, right? And you'll get operating rating. I think the max is 5. So it's based on the amount of successful quick time events that you did. If you are not good at it, like me, for example, you can just press all of 4 buttons at once and you'll get no penalty for pressing the wrong one. So yeah, that's how you get the horse. You'll get also, from the ratings, you'll get skills, right? So you have hooves, increases normal running speed. You can rename them here. New horse, for example. Now, if you want to change it, if you for example catch a few of them and you wanna check them, you go to appearance and you go to mounts, right? And you'll have them right here. You can see each one of their skills. You can see their ratings. You can rename them here as well, I think. And yeah, that's how you get horse. Now, if you have too many of them, you can sell them, and I'll show you where. We'll go just down here. There's a guy with the hoof above his head, and you can go to him, and you can sell your horses, right? So usually I just sell the lower ratings one. So usually the gray ones and green ones, right? So yeah, you can sell them, and also they'll only buy a limited number of them, right? So you can just sell them here. The alternative way for getting a horse is stealing them. So, for example, I have a guy here. I could either snatch a horse, but they could post bounty on me. But what you can do is immobilize him, and then take the horse. And you shouldn't get a posted bounty on you or anything like that.
So now we can just run off, and after some length you can just jump off and the horse will disappear. And then they will add to your inventory. You can check your inventory again here and you will see it here. So yeah, that's all from me. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And yeah, have a good one.